front of me is Doogee S70, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Start by exiting Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this free Launcher app from this developer and open it. Now just allow and tap Home button. After that, go into Device Settings, choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced over here, select Default Apps, go into Home app and click on iOS Launcher. After that, select Home button after a minute. Then click Got it and tap OK. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!